Look guys, it already came into play. Look, came down, got me a nice sandwich, nice thing for my smoothie, got my 2 drinks up there, and then we're back on the road. We got a nice little trunk, you feel me? What's up guys? So we are back. We're in the Kia Sedona today. I just got an oil change on it. As you see, it's no lights on the dash at all. 135,000 miles. It's running excellent. I was gonna go get a radiator flush, but my radiator is already full and my overflow is already full. So I'm gonna go get a car wash, detail, and gas now. But overall, it's running pretty good, and I'll show you guys what it's looking like after I get it all nice and done up. I got some hubcaps from AutoZone, so the car looks like a real granny van now, which is really cool. So I'll keep you guys updated with that. I'll let you see how that looks when I get out the car. So you guys see I got the hubcaps on there. It's looking real soccer mom like. We got some of that STP gas treatment. I don't know why, but it makes everything feel a lot better when you're driving on the road. It's time for a quick wash. We got our air fresheners going up. And our seats will get cleaned today. So we'll see a transformation on this thing and see how it looks after. When I was a kid, I used to love this shit. Carnuba wax, baby. So we got it all cleaned up. Hubcaps on. We got the armor all on the tires, rinsed down, wiped down, clean. For the most part, that could be better. I'll get to that before I sell it. But I mean, seats came out a little bit lighter, not the best, but they're clean, I guess. No third row, but it's cleaned up. What's up guys? So I'm back in traffic in the minivan, and I was on OfferUp and I found a good freaking great deal on some 4G Auto rims, 22-inch 4G Auto, what is it called? The Flangiato. 4G Auto Flangiato. I thought I was gonna have to freaking shove them in my Camaro, and then I remembered, I was like, oh, I freaking got the minivan outside. So I put that thing to work really quick, and it worked out really quick. Threw them right in the trunk and Scooby-Dooed up out of there. There we have it guys, some new 4G Auto Flangiatos. All 4 of them. Excellent condition. They look really great. And they're going on the Camaro. Baby boy.